Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Gigi and today we are going to do a super cute set, keeping it in the vein of Valentine's Day. I'm overthinking this voiceover this morning for some reason, so let's get through this. We have done 2 black, 3 tan, and now the 3 tan are going to get magically turned into a delicious French. I wasn't going to say magically delicious, and then I heard myself say magically, and how do you not add delicious to that? If you know, you know. And who doesn't know, right? I mean, maybe not somebody in America. So if you don't know, ask in the comment section below. And while you're down there, let me do a little leprechaun dance when you click that subscribe button. It's free, 100% free, gives me happy dance time. So thank you very much. We are gonna go ahead and do some open hearts on top of our French. Anywhere there's black is going to be a white heart. Valentine's Day is going to be very filled with hearts. That's what the day is about. That's what it's supposed to be about. I don't know the real history of Valentine's Day, so I'm not going to try to speak on something I'm not familiar with. I'm sure there are tons of videos out there on the history of Saint Valentine. I don't really keep up on the saints and what they have done. Largely, I think, because there's probably a lot of not so nice things that they have done. There you go. So we're just going to keep making these hearts. Got a tiny bit of cleanup here. I went a little crazy, but the hearts are super easy. If you can draw them on paper, you can do it with a brush. Sometimes all it takes is a little bit of practice and letting yourself go. Just be like, okay, I'm in my head. I know how to draw a heart. Let myself do this. And boom, 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 it happens. I'm in my head way too much, especially right now. So, blah, 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 good advice. Just get rid of it. Let it go. There we go. Enough of that. Okay, we're finishing up the hearts. There's hearts everywhere, so I'm not going to show you every single one. Gets just a little repetitive, and nobody wants that. Okay. There we go. So we've only got one more Valentine's Day video between, and that's it. That's on Valentine's Day. I have not made that video yet, so if you have a request, hit me below and let me know what you'd like me to do, because I'm open. I've got a lot of ideas and I don't know which one to pick. There it is. I'm going to need to do some short content, so I need to get my feet all the way back underneath me. We're going to add just a few dots on a couple places. I'm not going to go crazy with the dots. I wasn't strategic with it either. Just, you know, this looks like it needs dots here. So now we're coming with my pigment powders. Those are by Dageda, by the way. Everything, of course, as always, listed below, but the tan is Kiara Sky, the black is Gelixir, the white also Gelixir, so there you go, but all the numbers and names will be below. Except, like, all the pigments don't have a number. It's just, I bought a kit, it's by Dageda nail powders. Google it, you'll find it. Nobody pays me money, so I don't go searching for links. Maybe one day I'll try to do that for you guys, but if you'd like that, let me know. If you want links, let me know. Maybe I can start doing that for you guys. I want to bring you what you want, so let me know if you'd like to have links. And then, no gems or top coat footage. I did not click record, and I thought I had. What I'm showing you here is that I did a new thing. I bought a new thing. Since there's no footage, I'm not going to talk about it. We'll do it in another video, but I made a little bit of mistakes and got some on the gems, so be careful for that. Also, there's a little surprise at the end. I'm sure you'll notice what that is, okay? It's not a big deal. Don't get excited. But if you want to be excited, don't forget to subscribe. Again, I'll do a happy dance, but we're doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. And here comes your surprise. I am the model for today's set. I don't normally do that, but I have not had nails on in a really long time. And I thought, what if I modeled this set? So I did the set in sizes that would fit me. And guys, it's so nice to have nails on after so long. So definitely thinking a new set is coming soon. But there was a little bit of damage to 2 of my nails, and I want them to grow out a tiny bit more. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to see you next time. Mwah! Bye.